Gentlemen, boys and girls, creators and bloggers, do you ever struggle to find the perfect image for your content? You know, like an African American family or an American Indian, or even someone from, wait for it, Djibouti? That's right, it's a country. And no, I'm not talking about your booty. Well, fear no more. Because today, we're diving headfirst into the world of AI-generated art where finding the right image is no longer a needle in a haystack. Welcome to Midjourney Text-to-Image AI, your go-to tool for turning ordinary text into extraordinary images. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll guide you through the magical process of using this captivating tool to create visuals that'll make your content shine. So, hold on to your hats and let's get this party started. 1. Join the Midjourney Discord. Visit midjourney.com and then click Join the Beta, or head directly to the Midjourney Discord. If you don't have a Discord account yet, be sure to sign up for one. Links are in the descriptions below. Step 2. Navigate to the Newbies channel. Once you've joined the Midjourney Discord server, locate the Newbies channel where you can find instructions and support for using the Midjourney bot. Remember, you can generate images with the Midjourney bot on any server that has invited the bot. Step 3. Familiarize yourself with basic commands. To interact with the Midjourney bot on Discord, you'll need to use commands. These commands will help you create images, change default settings, monitor user info, and perform a variety of helpful tasks. Spend some time learning these commands to get the most out of the bot and create magic. Step 4. Messaging the Midjourney bot. After joining the official Discord server, send a direct message to the Midjourney bot to tap into its artistic genius. To do this, simply type a prompt using the /image command. You'll set the AI's creativity in motion, generating a captivating set of 4 images to choose from. Pick your favorite one and upscale it to bring your vision to life in even greater detail. With Midjourney, there's no limit to your artistic exploration. To create your visual masterpiece, type the /imagine command as a direct message, followed by a clear and concise description of the image you want to create. Mention the main subject, setting, or any specific details you'd like to include. This basic outline will help the AI understand your vision and bring it to life. For example, enter /imagine : a little boy flying a colorful kite on a sunny beach. The more vivid and detailed your description, the more extraordinary the results will be. For instance, you can refine your previous prompt to /imagine : a little boy in blue shorts flying a colorful kite on a sunny beach with clear blue skies as his friends happily chase after him. Voila! You've just created some instant magic with Midjourney! Step 5. Re-roll. If needed, or if you're not satisfied with the initial results, click the Re-roll button to rerun the job with the original prompt, producing a new grid of images for you to choose from. Step 6. Create variations. Select your favorite image from the grid and click the V button to create a variation of the upscaled image. This will generate a new grid of 4 options. Browse through the variations and choose the one that best suits your vision. Step 7. Upscale your chosen image. Once you've found the perfect variation, click the View or Upscale buttons to generate a larger, more detailed version of the selected image. Step 8. Save your masterpiece. Click on your upscaled image to open it in full size. Right-click on the image and select Save Image to download it to your device. Now, you have your very own AI-generated artwork to share and enjoy. So there you have it, a quick step-by-step guide to using Midjourney Text-to-Image AI. Go ahead, give it a try. That rhymes. Go forth, little Padawan, unleash your creativity with this amazing tool. Don't forget to share your creations with the world, and remember, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed your journey through the world of AI-generated art, please show your support by giving it a big thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming videos. You won't want to miss a thing.